Hello, my name is Delia, and if you're like me, you are on so many digital meetings because we're socially distanced right now. I also work as a sim actor, and I find myself constantly giving the same feedback on how to connect with patients or people in your meetings all the time. So I thought I'd make this video to show you the 2 tricks to connect easily with your audience. The first trick, good lighting. You want your face to be illuminated because this is what people help connect with. So you want to have at least 2 light sources in front of you, and you want them to be both on a 45-degree angle for your face. It just makes your features pop and it makes you look more 3D. So I have a lamp here and I'm using my window here. If it was dark, I would just put a second lamp right here and it would make my face look beautiful, lit up, and then you can really see my facial expressions. Here I am without my 2 front light sources. It's not terrible, it's still daytime, but I'm a little grainier and a little harder to see and connect with. So you want that beautiful lighting that illuminates your face. What you really don't want is a top light or a backlight as your main light source. Check this out. So now with the light behind me, it darkens me out a little bit more. And I kind of feel like I look like I'm in those documentaries when people don't want their identities to be shown. This isn't too extreme, but trust me, I've seen some really extreme backlighting. You don't want this at all. Trick number 2, your eye line. I can always tell where I am on people's chat screens when they're talking to me because I see this or this or this. And it's not like this is bad, but if you're trying to connect with me, if you're trying to tell me something really important, it just doesn't look like you're looking at me. It kind of looks like you're looking at something else. So instead of having to tell me something very serious that I need to listen to and I need to pay attention to what you're saying, and you're saying it to my face on the screen, say it into your camera. If you say it into your camera, it makes it seem like you're looking right at me, like it looks like I'm looking right at you right now, but I'm actually just looking at the little green dot at the top of my computer. If you have one of those computers where you have a separate camera, just try your best to place it at the top. Or if it does have to be way over here to look into it, it's better than nothing. But if you can have it up top here, then you can talk into here and soft focus at where I am in your screen or where whoever you're talking to is in your screen. And then you can connect with them while not disengaging from their face. Got it?